So what documents do we actually require from you? Well, honestly, the answer is as many documents that you have that are actually relevant to the case. So if you've got a court attendance notice for a criminal matter, that's really important because it sets out the particulars of the allegation that you're facing. It sets out what your first court attendance date is. It sets out the venue that you need to attend and the time that you need to attend. It'll enable us to advise you about the maximum penalties and what sentencing options are available given the charges that have been laid. Your police fact sheet is another document that's really important. So think about a court attendance notice like a broad generalisation of what you've done. For example, assault occasioning actual bodily harm. That'll be included in your court attendance notice. But your fact sheet actually hones in on those particulars. What is it that you've actually been alleged to have done? So what form of assault have you been charged with? What is the nature of the assault? What is the injury that was occasioned? How was it occasioned and against whom? Those are all things we'll only be able to know from your fact sheet. Another important document that we would need is your criminal record. Now that enables us to understand how leniently the court will deal with you. It'll also enable us to understand if there are any community-based orders that will need to be called up as part of the sentencing process. It will help us understand whether a non-conviction is within range and any applicable parole or non-parole periods that could apply to the sentencing exercise. So your criminal record is really important. It's another document we would require you to provide in the course of our consultation. If you've been served with an AVO, we will require those AVO documents so that we can best advise you as to what the conditions of the AVO are, what restrictions have been imposed on you as a result of that AVO, and who the protected persons listed in that AVO are.
Jameson Law. We get it.